Hello friends, welcome to my tutorial. In today's lesson, I will teach you on how to configure Active Directory domain name services, or you can say ADDS. So the purpose to install this, because that the ADDS is the centralized database that allow us to manage and store the user and computer, and also the authentication in our Windows server. So the first thing before we start to install ADDS, first you need to check your PC name. I have forgotten to tell you that this window is Windows Server 2025, which is the latest generation. So this one I have already tested and also migrate from my old server. So I think for the Windows Server 2025 is very good for your organization. So first you need to go to your server manager. This one I want to change the our domain name or our PC name. So this one I have already changed. You can also change the name over here. Okay, change. So I rename my server to this name. Okay, and another thing that you need to check your Ethernet. Make sure that you have to put static connection, static IP for your domain controller. Okay, so based on your organization, you can put your informations over here. This is the two main thing that you need to be more patient. Okay, first is your PC name, and the second is your Ethernet static IP. And after that, we can go to the manage role and features. This wants to add the Active Directory next. So I choose role based or feature based installation. Okay, here. So I select the server from the server pool. Here is the server for my machines. Next. So I need to install Active Directory domain name service. Okay, so for the Active Directory domain name service, you can also see more information over here. What is the Active Directory domain name service? Okay, so I install this. Next. Okay, you can also make sure that the group policy management is selected. This is very important. Okay, and the rest I will let it default. Next. Next, and then install. This one is will be take time based on the performance of your server machines. So this one I will leave it running. Okay, to be faster, I think I can a bit pause on these installations. So okay guys, so the service has been installed, so I can close. So after the service installed, we need to promote our Windows server. So you can go to this and then promote the server to domain controller. Okay, so we have three options. Since this one is my new domain controller, so I have to choose add new forest. I can put Msolved, okay, msolved.com. Okay, just like that. Okay, so for Windows Server 2025, I left it default, and here is the restore password. You can put your restore password over here. Okay, next. Okay, Msolved is my domain name. Next. Okay, so the database I store in the default root directory. Next. Next. So now it check the requirement before the service installation. As you see, all equipment check passed successfully. Okay, so we can start to install it. In this step, if during your installation there is an error message, you have to fetch before you install it. So as you see the result, now the server was successfully configured as the main controller. So the server machine required to restart. I will close, I close, okay, and then it will be restart. So after the window is restart, you can see the work group will be changed to our domain name Msolved. If it's not changed, that means that our Active Directory installation is not correct. So we need to fix. So let's see together. Okay, so after the installation of the Active Directory domain name service, when it start back, there are more services will be added. So it will be takes time. So I just summarize what is the purpose that we why we install the Active Directory domain name service. As you already know, the ADDS is a centralized database that store detail about the user, computer, and resource in the network, and it also allow the authentication, verify who is access to our network or who is access to our computer in our organization. Especially, it's also enable the authorization that the user is allowed what to do, which organization that he or she needs to be accessed. So this is what the Active Directory domain name service can do. Especially, it also help to manage the policy such as password requirements and also access permissions. Okay, so you just wait. Hello guys, as you can see now after the restart, so the our Active Directory domain name service has been set. As you can see, Msolved slash administrator. So I will put the password and let's see. full screen. Just wait. So I can also go to local server. You can see now the domain have changed to msolved.com. Okay, so guys, thanks for today. I hope that you find these lessons useful. See you in the next video. Bye bye.